GM everyone, today I'm bringing you the latest product that we launched at Talent. It's all about the Talent Pro, a platform focused for recruiters. It's the best way to find individual builders that fits your requirements for your desired job. Let me show you how this works. So here we are on the Talent Pro dashboard. I'm already logged in with my account. The cool thing is that your account from Talent is the same from your Talent Pro, so you only need to log in once. It's a chat display like you are used to if you use Cursor, ChatGPT or any AI tool nowadays. It's the same display, and basically you can ask anything. For example, I want to know builders that are into AI agents from San Francisco. I know Ethereum has a hub there and they are like super focused on agents right now, so hey, let's see which are the best builders for that. After prompting, it's going to start searching and it's going to use Talent's database for that. So here we have some builders. We have Sergi, Lorenzo, and Gis4. The cool thing is that also retrieves some other information about them. So for example, their current role, their focus, tech stack, activity, bio, and so on. It even recommends me Sergi as he stands out as the most experienced candidate with 13 years in the industry. That's a lot of time. Since Sergi seems like the perfect fit, I actually want to know more about him. So I'm asking the chat to please provide me more information about Sergi, what did he build already, and to show me some of his experience. So after prompting this, I have an interactive card here. And on this card, I can click here and see his LinkedIn profile and all his GitHub profiles, since he has more than one connected. I have a verified activity summary that is made with AI based on all his project contributions, his tech stack, also his work experience. This is from LinkedIn, I assume, so he's a chief technology officer, full stack engineer, and technical director at GrowWeek. Here I have the full breakdown on all his experience regarding AI agents. Here it says that he contributed to AI agent frameworks like Elisa OS, and that's impressive. I don't want to go through his GitHub and go repo by repo, so I just asked, can you share me some cool projects he shipped from GitHub and please sum them up for me. Since Talent has access to all GitHub information, we now have all the things that he contributed. So for example, Elisa OS, as we mentioned earlier, then he also contributed to the Ethereum org website. Professional projects he builds are Oda, is the homeowner's digital assistant, real estate lead, and here we have a GitHub activity summary, so nearly 1,000 total contributions. I will ask about any impact metric that can stand me out. So here we can filter about all the information that was provided before, but only the ones that is related to metrics. So for example, the GitHub contributions we just saw, the perfect consistency score that in this case is a 1, 4 years as a CTO, 7 years experience, 2 years technical, 13 years total experience. That's pretty amazing. So yeah, Talent Pro can basically access all information about any builder out there and get you specific requirements that you need. The cool thing is that we also have an agent chat here where we can go to past conversations. So here, for example, I was chatting about Jesse Pollack to get more information about him. Here, some recommendations about AI agent builders as before, because I love that thing. We can even create lists. So for example, if we are searching for specific builders that we want and we want to pack them up in a separate package to review them later, we can create a list. I just asked to create me a list called AI agent builders and put 10 builders that fit the requirements and need to be from the US. Something great about the Talent Pro AI is that it only found 3 builders specifically for AI agents, but since I requested for 10 builders, it's going to go beyond and search anyone related with AI agent terms. So here he found 10 different builders that more or less fit my requirements. And here my list was created. Here I even have all the information such as their handles. That's pretty impressive because I can contact them via DMs on Twitter, GitHub or whatever. And let me check the list. Here we have our list complete. I can click here and even go to their profiles. So it's open a pop-up with all the summary and information about them. That's all for Talent Pro. Full focus on professional data so you can search for any builder for whatever job you need. On-chain, off-chain, doesn't matter. Talent Pro is going beyond crypto and start focusing more on overall builders across any industry on the world. Check our CLI if you want to power your agent with the Talent Pro data, or use our UI if you are an individual, a recruiter that wants to search the data for themselves. Let me know if you have any questions and keep Keep building.